In Bethlehem, New Hampshire, a timber frame landmark rises from the White Mountains with the quiet authority of a place built to last. Stone walls line over 900 feet of road frontage, framing a property steeped in history and rebuilt with precision. Inside, open-concept living and dining areas flow beneath exposed timber construction, where every beam is structural and intentional. The kitchen anchors the main level, designed for gathering. A rear-screened porch extends your living space into lush, private landscaping. Upstairs, a generous primary suite and 2 additional bedrooms share the upper level with a den and sitting area. SIP construction and solar power deliver a HERS rating of 2, nearly net zero. Open meadows and wooded trails lead to presidential mountain views. A restored hay barn, commercial office space, and 5-bay garage complete this rare offering. Schedule your private tour today.